In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload receipts to Xero step by step. Whether you're dealing with digital invoices in your email or scanned receipts from suppliers, I'll walk you through the easiest and most efficient way to get them into Xero so your bookkeeping stays organized and up to date. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's get started. In Xero, there are three main ways to upload receipts. You can use the Xero Me mobile app, you can use HubDoc, or you can use the direct Email to Xero feature. In this video, we're going to focus on the Email to Xero method, which is one of the best options for digital invoices and receipts that you already receive by email. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your organization dashboard, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on your organization name. From the drop-down menu, select Files. This is where Xero stores uploaded documents and where you'll find your unique email address for forwarding receipts. Inside the File section, look for your inbox email address. This will usually look something like yourorganization@xerofiles.com. This email address is unique to your Xero organization. Any receipt or invoice that gets forwarded to this address will automatically appear inside your file's inbox in Xero. Now, open your email inbox in a separate tab. Find the digital receipt or invoice that you want to upload. Click Forward and send that email directly to your unique xerofiles.com email address. Make sure you don't change the attachment. Once you send it, give Xero a few moments to process the file. Next, go back to Xero and refresh the Files page if needed. You should now see the receipt listed there. Click on the file to review it and confirm that it's the correct document. To attach it to a transaction, click the gear icon next to the receipt. You'll see options such as Add to New Bill or Add to New Spend Money. If this receipt is something you need to pay later, choose Add to New Bill. If it's something you've already paid for, like an expense from your business account, choose Add to New Spend Money. After selecting the appropriate option, Xero will open a draft transaction with the receipt already attached. From here, simply fill in the supplier details, date, reference number if needed, account code, and the correct tax rate. Double-check the totals to ensure everything matches the receipt. Once everything looks good, click Approve or Save as Draft depending on your workflow. And that's it! Your receipt is now successfully uploaded and linked to a transaction inside Xero. Quick recap. Go to Organization Name, click Files, find your unique inbox email address, forward your receipt to that address, then use the gear icon to add it to a bill or spend money transaction. It's fast, efficient, and keeps all your documentation neatly stored in one place. Using this method consistently will save you time and make reconciliation much easier at the end of the month. Plus, having your receipts stored digitally inside Xero keeps your records clean and audit ready. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Xero accounting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.